Welcome to the General Chemistry 2 class. This section is on electrochemistry. This lesson is about corrosion. Let's begin. In this lesson, we will apply electrochemical principles to explain corrosion. Corrosion is the process in which a metal is destructed by oxidation. It is manifested by tarnishing of metal with accompanying formation of a new substance. It occurs mainly on the presence of oxygen and water. For this lesson, we will focus only on the corrosion of iron. Corrosion of iron, or rusting, occurs in the portion of the metal having a mechanical strain. In the case of an iron nail, the points of strain are the head, the tail, and the bent portion. The point of strain of iron is the anodic region for rusting, in which iron is oxidized to iron 3 iron 2 ion. The other portion of the object serves as the cathodic region, where oxygen is reduced to hydroxide ion in the presence of water. Iron 2 and hydroxide ions further react in the presence of oxygen and H2O to produce rust, which is a hydrate of iron 3 oxide. The overall reaction of the corrosion of iron is given by the action 2 moles iron plus 3 halves mole oxygen plus X moles water producing iron 3 oxide X hydrate. Salt solution contains electrolytes, which are charge carriers in water. The presence of electrolytes facilitates electron to transfer during corrosion. As a result, iron corrodes faster in salt water. Acids, especially strong ones like hydrochloric acid, hastens rusting by oxidizing iron metal to iron 2 ion. Hydrogen gas is emitted in this reaction. Plating is the process of covering a metal surface with another metal. This is usually done by electrochemical means to prevent corrosion of a metal. It can be plated with another metal that is hard to oxidize. However, scratching the metal coating exposes iron, which leads to rusting. By looking at the given reduction potential table, notice that silver, tin, and nickel can be used to coat iron through plating. Since the standard reduction potential for this metal is greater compared to that for iron, the standard oxidation potential is lower, suggesting that the oxidation of this metal is less favored than iron. Cathodic protection is a method in which a metal is made a cathode by connecting it to another metal that is more susceptible towards oxidation. When the latter is in contact with iron, it is the one that corrodes first, hence called the sacrificial anode. Zinc, aluminum, and magnesium can serve as sacrificial anodes for iron, since the corresponding standard reduction potential is lower than that for iron, implying great ease to oxidize. A very common example of cathodic protection is galvanization, in which iron or steel is plated or coated with zinc to prevent rusting. Coating a metal with a paint is the simplest method in preventing rusting. Enamel paints are used in metal due to their durability when applied on the metal surface. However, as years pass, the paint tends to peel off easily, exposing the metal. As a result, the uncoated portions are now susceptible to rusting. To summarize, corrosion is a reaction involving oxidation of a metal, resulting in its deterioration in iron. The presence of oxygen and water is the main cause of corrosion. Rusting of iron can be prevented or delayed by methods like plating with a metal greater resistance to oxidation, cathodic protection, and coating with paint. Thank you. Welcome to the General Chemistry 2 class. This quiz is about Corrosion. Let's begin. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10.